$0 down real estate deals are happening every single day, and most investors have no clue these strategies even exist. Last month, I watched a 22-year-old college student acquire a duplex worth $200,000 without touching his savings account. Here's exactly how he did it. He found a motivated seller who was tired of managing tenants and offered to take over all mortgage payments plus give the seller $5,000 at closing. The seller kept the loan in their name, but the student got the deed and all rental income. This is called subject to financing, and it's completely legal when structured properly. Another investor I know used seller financing to buy a 4-unit building. The owner was retiring and wanted steady income. So instead of getting a bank loan, they agreed the buyer would pay the seller directly over 15 years at 6% interest. No bank approval needed, no massive down payment required. The key is finding sellers who have problems that your creative solutions can solve. Maybe they're facing foreclosure, dealing with difficult tenants, or need to relocate quickly for work. Traditional buyers with conventional loans can't move fast enough, but you can. Master lease options are another goldmine. You control the property with the right to buy later, often with just a few $1,000s up front. You collect rent, build equity, and can exercise your option when you're ready. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They require research, relationship building, and understanding legal structures. But they prove that lack of capital doesn't have to stop you from building wealth through real estate. What's one property in your area that's been sitting on the market too long, and how could you approach that owner with a creative solution?